In this question, it's given that Pranay borrowed rupees 54,735 from Vinay at an interest of 30% compound interest for 3 years. He repaid it in 3 installments paid at the end of the year. Installments are in AP, second installment being 40% less than the first. So the installment have been paid in the end of the year. For example, if I take my first year to be, it started on 1st Jan 2020 and it ended on 31st December 2021. Then my next year started on 1 Jan 30th Jan 2020, then 1st Jan 2021, 31st December 2021, and the last year 1st Jan 2022 and 31st December 2022. So the 3 installments are paid in the end of the year. At the end of the year, that is the date is 31st December. Now it's given that the second installment being 40% less than the first one. Okay, this is the first installment, second installment, and respectively the third one. Second installment being 40% less than the first one. The fraction of 40% is 2 by 5. This means my second installment, my first installment in 5 and 5 minus 2, that is 3. My second installment is 3. So here, from here I can get that my first installment is 5 and the second one is 3. Now it's given that installments are in AP. This means the common difference between the first and second installment is 2. Therefore the common difference between the second and third installment would be 2 again, and this would give us that the third installment is nothing but 1. So from here we get the 3 installments are 5, 3 and 1. So on the first installment, when he paid the first installment, he paid at the end of the first year, that is 31st December, and after that how many years are left? This and this, second and third, that is 2 years interest. For the second installment, he had paid at the end of the this year 31st December, on the date of 31st December 2021. After that only this year was left, so only 1 year interest. And the third installment was paid here, and after that 0 years were left, so no interest, no interest in this one. So how would we write this? 5 was first installment, how much interest? 2 years, and it was compounded, so we can write 1.3 into to the power 2. From the formula of compound interest, it would come out to be A is equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power n. You can solve this and you will get the same thing from this. Plus second installment was 3 and the rate of interest was again 30% for 1 year plus, and the last installment was 1 and no interest. And this was according to our assumption, but according to question, it was, the amount was 54735 and 3 years interest would give us 1.3 into cube of 1.3. For this you have to use the on-screen calculator given in the question. So we use the calculator to calculate. This would give us 1.69 plus 3 into 1.3, this would give us 3.9 plus 1 is equals to 54735 1.3 cube. Now we'll solve this further. This would give us, wait, let me rub this. This would give us 5 into 1.69, 8.45 plus 3.9 plus 1, and here it would be 1.69 into 1.3, 2197, that is 54735 into 2.197. We need to get the value of from 1 from here. First we'll add 8 plus 3 11 plus 12 plus 9 12.9 13.35. We'll get 13.35, and this would give us 54735 into 2.197. Let's check it once. 8.45 plus 3.9 plus 1, 13.35. We need to get the value of 1 from here. 1 is equals to, now I'll rub this. What is the value of 1? 54735 into 2.197 whole divided by 13.35. Now solve this on the on-screen calculator. which is given on in the exam. 5 5 4 7 3 5 into 2.197 divided by 13.35. This was give us the value of one installment would be 9007.7. Okay, we get the value. Now what we needed to calculate, find the average installment. Okay, the first installment was 5, that is 5 into 9007.7. The second installment was 3 into 9007.7, and the last installment was only one, that is only 9007.7. And how many installments we have given? 1 2 3. So average divided by total installments divided by 3. We would calculate 9007 would get common out. 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9 whole divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. So we would get 9007.7 into 3. Let's calculate this. 27023.1, or we will round this off, we'll get 27023. So the required answer for this question is 27,023 rupees. So the average installment is 27023. Thank you.